On the other hand, if there is not a lot of oxidative stress, then the homocysteine can be recycled in a couple different ways, but here's where B12 is in this transmethylation pathway back to methionine, where magnesium and ATP and S-adenosylmethionine, you've heard of SAMe probably, we'll hear more and more about it, is responsible for these methylation steps that then converts this back into homocysteine. And by donating a methyl group, noradrenaline, which is the fight-flight neurotransmitter at the root of all of our mental disorders and chronic stress, a lot of medical problems too, that's where it's methylated and converted into adrenaline, where it's rapidly metabolized. But there's at least 34 other methylases beside this one. So methylation is a gigantic, huge, and very important step in the overall biochemistry of and survival, because adding methyl groups is simply just changes one molecule into another molecule. It's one of the simplest steps, but it has many, many dimensions. So B12 figures very highly here in this transmethylation step. And but I want to point out too that there's another. This is so important that there's another agent that can do this. Betaine can be converted, which is trimethylglycine, can be converted into dimethylglycine, and then the homocysteine can go back to methionine. So Mother Nature's given us two steps, two ways of doing that. It's so important.